Welcome YouTube. I just realized, sorry YouTube, I've just started it and I've not even started the event on I'll posted it in the Discord. 1 second YouTube, sorry about that. Oh, we got scammer as well in the lounge. Let me ban them. See ya. There we go. Okay, now we're posted. And let me get the YouTube link and we'll send that over to the Discord. And then we are good to go. Sorry for the YouTube. I wasn't live last week because there was issues with the bot. So it basically wasn't posting to all those different Discords. Oh, I was live on YouTube, but it wasn't posted to the different Discords. So we didn't have many people in the YouTube at all, but that's all good because we'll have them today because let's see. The bot does in fact work. Beautiful. Perfect. So we have the YouTube and the Discord. Beautiful. Still 0.7 RR to pass my phase 1. Nice. You're very close. You've been trading gold recently? No, I mean, I've been looking at gold. I haven't taken a trade on gold. To be honest, I kind of completely forgot about it last week. Was there anything I would have traded? Not really. I don't think so. What level is that? 2394. That was actually a nice break and retest. When was that? Friday. Oh my god, that was actually a really nice break and retest. Was that a big fib or? Why did I miss that? Did anyone else take that? Break and retest on gold? Not last Friday, but the Friday before. That was really nice. And it's currently, well, not really working, but yeah, it technically is working again. Right, let's go over what we're looking at this week. I'll try not to delay it too much. It's been a very interesting week. How many of you guys actually finished profitable for the week? Because there was some really interesting movements. Not me. Wayfarm did. Nice. Break even. No. Yeah, it's there's some weird flows throughout the week, which was interesting to see. 0 trades for me, that's completely fair. I did my weekly review. This isn't it, this is the template. Oops. Well, I did my weekly review, and the one trade that I thought was really good, the Aussie Swiss trade, which was a break and retest of this level, I think I kind of rushed it, I can't lie. I think I was getting a little bit impatient because I wasn't taking many trades, and that impatience sort of forced me to take this. It was a really nice trade. Obviously, this trade was beautiful. 50 fib, only level in this move up. You had ATR. You had, you know, push past the psych level. You had sort of alignment with like USD Swiss. Pretty sure with the low. But the markets were going crazy, like cuckoo. As you can see, Aussie dollar Swiss, that movement is insane. Like, that is a juicy candle, and to trade against that is pretty silly. And I'm never normally impatient. Like, I'll happily wait 2 weeks for a trade, but I don't know why, but I think it got to me because, yeah, as you can see, taking a trade after that is a bit stupid. That is some crazy movement. For Aussie dollar Swiss at least. So yeah, I think that's a bit of a mistake. But apart from that, I took Euro CAD, obviously, but I closed at a break even just before CAD CPI, but it worked. It worked really nicely. So obviously sells from this swing high with ATR, psych level. Don't know if we saw alignment or not. But either way, you can see it did. I entered around, I think I got like a sniper entry or something, but did I? I don't know. I can't remember where I entered, but anyway, I entered around here or something. It did like 20. Oh yeah, I got a pretty high entry. It did 22 pips overnight, but my take profit was 35. Woke up, it was at break even, and then CPI was here. Obviously, I closed pretty much at break even. I think like 1 or 2 pips profit. CPI came out and it hit take profit, which, you know, I don't really want to hold through CPI, but it did work. It worked nice. No, I got in. I had a really nice entry, which is why I was able to close at break even. I was seeing Aussie dollar weakness and Swiss strength that day. we can go over. We'll go over it when we get to odd, and we'll actually go over it properly. Because I need to re-review that trade, to be honest. I'm doing good, Mr. Giga Chad. Thank you for asking, man. Yeah, I'm doing okay. How about you? And hello, Bernard. Hello. How are you doing, man? Yeah, so let's go over the markets. Let's see what's happening. So starting off with GU, we got this fib. We do have a bunch of levels. We have like the little 4-hour break retest. We have this daily break retest, which looks like the more attractive one. We have this longer term break retest over here, which I'm not as interested in, obviously, but we'll see what, price decides to do from there. We have the big fib, which sort of aligns with the 23, and then we have the short term fib, which more aligns with this 4-hour level, which is pretty deep, 30 pips. So yeah, that's the only level I'm interested in at the moment, is that daily break and retest. But again, depends on what's going to happen. With obviously, if you guys didn't see, we just saw President Biden basically saying that he is going to be sacking off the rerun and election stuff. So Biden is gone. So I don't know what that means for USD. I'm guessing strength. We did see, for like an immediate effect, Bitcoin straight away dumped, which obviously means USD strength, but then it recovered. So I don't know what the sentiment's going to be with USD, if we're going to see strength or weakness. I don't know. Like, I guess it's based on like everyone's opinions and like the collective opinion on, who's a better president. If everyone thinks Biden's been shit and Trump is better, then obviously USD is going to be strong. But I don't know how it'll work. I'm guessing it's like dependent on like the overall sentiment. There isn't like just okay, it's strong or weak. It's dependent on how strong people's conviction is in Trump type thing. Don't know. May I ask how much % you made with your fib strategy last year? Thank God you asked for last year. Yeah, last year I did really well. I'm glad you didn't ask this year. Last year I finished roughly about like 42% for the year. That was literally just based on 1-to-1 risk reward, 2% risk. Which is, yeah, pretty much an average of like 3.5-4% a month, which is, yeah, I did really well last year. But this year, yeah, I had a little bit of a hiccup. We're chilling. I'll just say that. But yeah, I had a bit of a hiccup this year, and we've been recovering and learning. So that's the one good thing of doing all this stuff publicly is when you're doing shit, you can't hide it. Basically, everything is public, which makes it 10 times worse on a psychology. But it also helps strengthen your mindset and your resilience. So it's, yeah, I don't know, it's a bit of a in between. But yeah, GU anyway, GU this level, nice. That's about it. I'm not really looking for anything else. We do have like this level up here is like the 4-hour level, which could be nice as well. Or it could turn into a bit more of a daily level, to be honest. It is already a daily level, to be honest. But yeah, that's about it for GU. Pound CAD, what do we have? We don't have any big ass levels now. They're all gone. Yeah, you got to stay transparent. Otherwise, if I'm lying to you guys, I'm lying to myself. And if I'm lying to everyone, then it's just going to fuck me up, innit? There's no point lying. I've like shared my journey for like the past, 3 years now since I started trading. I started creating content, just sharing my journey. Even when I was completely unprofitable and didn't have a fucking clue what I was doing, I was still sharing like my trades and how I'm trading and, helping other people. But so I've never claimed to be like, some crazy mad profitable fucking Ferrari driving dude. And yeah, that's why I've never sold anything either. I could have easily sold mentorship and signals and shit last year, but nah, I can't bother, to be honest. I'd rather just wait until I'm like fully secure in my trading and you know, life and shit, and then maybe, but it's I'm not exactly asked about doing a paid mentorship type thing. I'd rather make my money through the markets and then few other little ways. No, I don't have any paid channels. Weekly break and retest. Yeah, I see that, Tux. I do see that, and it does have the fib, and it does have the psych level. However, this zone is wide as shit. So how are we doing it? What do you reckon? If we did enter based off of the wick, let's say we had entries here, we're gonna have to have like what, at least 40. I reckon something like that. It's gonna have to be pretty juicy, or maybe even is 50 too much? Let's look on a 4 hour. Let's look at the level on the 4 hour. To be fair, the level does look pretty accurate on a 4 hour. There's no like mess. It just does look like just a solid level. And then you got this little sub level down here where this is reacted, and then also this. So I think 40 is enough. So if you went 40-40, what do you guys go for if you were entering this? Or would you enter lower? Would you enter like, you know, 50% of this, or would you enter the candle body close? Yeah, I think I'd go 40-40 at the wick personally. And you're technically then entering just above the psych level, which is kind of perfect. So yeah, GCAD is looking really nice. We'll see how that plays out, because that is a really good trade. As long as there's nothing crazy going on. News-wise, Wednesday is pretty much a no-go, if you've seen. Where is it? Let's have a look. So Monday, chilling. Tuesday, chilling. Wednesday, yeah, look at that for Wednesday. Obviously, it's all just the different Europe PMIs and stuff, which makes it look 10 times worse than it is. But yeah, that's an interesting one. You guys saying 40. Sorry, the YouTube chat is quite delayed compared to the Discord. 50, 40 pips. Yeah, 50 could be okay, but I don't know. 50 is also... I mean, you're easily going to see a 50 reaction on pound CAD, to be fair. It's just a pain in the ass if it did like, you know, 35 and then went back to break even and pissed around. So I think I'd be willing to accept the risk with 40. And then we got also CAD shit, more CAD shit, and USD PMI as well. So Wednesday is pretty much a no-go. That'd be a very interesting day. Thursday isn't as bad, just USD GDP. G20 meetings again, which don't really do much. I think it's obviously very subjective depending on what's said during the meetings. So it could be a bit of a risky one, but entirely up to use. I haven't really seen G20 meetings do much, like, you know, when it comes to euro or pound or anything. So it most likely is tradable. Why 40-40 on GCAD? You wasn't watching. Wow. Okay. Just because of the size of the level. Level is fucking huge. It's 48 pips. It's quite a big level to cover, but obviously refining it down to the 4 hour, it's not as bad. You've mainly just got like this, and then you got this level, which again is like here and here. So going 30-30 on this, you're cutting it a little bit close, I feel like. Going 40-40, obviously pound CAD moves fast anyway, so I think 40-40 is a little bit more attractive, for me at least. Unless you just want to enter lower, you can go 30-30 and just enter lower, but then obviously there's a chance of you potentially missing. Euro Aussie, I'll go over it in a minute. Wait from. Yeah, it could go flying for sure. So yeah, pound CAD buys look very nice. Pound Swiss, what do we have? Fuck all. That's what we have. We have this weird ass level which it's at right now. It's more of like a 4 hour range level, and I wouldn't really be interested in taking a trade from there. And apart from that, you have nothing. We just basically need it to come all the way to these lows or back up to this level, or fuck around and create a level for us within this range. But for now, absolutely nothing on pound Swiss. Unless, you know, of course, we come to the high. GN is going to the moon. We have this daily level, which it missed by a few pips. Well, not by a few pips, by quite a few pips, to be fair. Yeah, this weekly level. Yeah, Yeah, it's a very, very, very big swing high, which you're going to go high entry. Okay, okay. We'll see. Is there any alignment across anything? What about like Euro NZD? Let's see. Euro NZD is already at the level. Aussie NZD is pushing back up to this level it's at. And NZD pairs are dumping, which means obviously NZD strength. Not NZD strength, you idiot. I mean, GN strength. Basically at the wick, yeah. Yeah. So yeah, that's a big one to go for. You can go for it if you want. What stop loss would you use, Tux, if you went for the wick? Would you just go 30-30 or would you go big, like swing trade 50-50 or even bigger? 35. Ooh. Okay, yeah. I mean, there's a high chance you're gonna miss, but I guess if you get entries, you've got a pretty high win rate. But yeah, that's not something I'd be looking at personally. I don't really like those. Yeah, of course. We do have the break and retest though. I don't know if this aligns with anything. Let's see. 23 is like 33 away, but we could maybe see. I mean, pound CAD is 120. GN is quite far, 200. Never mind. It is quite chunky. 38 fib. What are you seeing? 38 fib. Historical key level. You want about this? Like these levels here? Is that what you're on about? Hang on. Yeah, I don't know what you're looking at. Unless you're looking at, like, you're talking about this thing, which is an absolute monster. No, definitely not. Just send, if you can, send a chart in. That'd be a lot easier. But yeah, GN, all I see is the break retest, which is, again, a pretty chunky hold. That's like a 58 pip level. There we go. Oh, he's come back to my OG charts. Okay, I see. Yeah, I see that. That's a bit scary for me. Yeah, but getting entries on something like that is a bit difficult. You're gonna have to have a pretty wide stop loss as well. Which is why I don't really trade those type of levels. I just trade like the cleaner levels, those messy zones, because that's more like looking at it as that, like this entire zone type thing. And then going back and going, you know, this entire zone, we're looking for a move, but the move could be that. It could be that. It could be that. It could be this. You don't have a clue what it's going to be. So, you know, entries could be fucked. You know, you could get an entry in the middle and it does a little reaction and then you don't hit take profit, or you decide to go to the bottom and you miss. You go to the top, it's stop loss. That's why I prefer the cleaner, more recent price action. But I mean, yeah, of course it can work. Yeah. Yeah, it's just you got to refine it a little bit more and use some big ass stop losses. Joe Biden pulls out, impact on FX. Yeah, I know, man, we just spoke about that. We'll see what it does. What do people think it's going to do? I'll put a poll out in the Discord. Biden dropping out means, let's see, USD strength, USD weakness, or nothing. Let's see. Can I do polls in? Oh, I can in YouTube. Okay, let's see. Let's see if anyone wants to interact on a YouTube. USD strength, USD weakness, nothing. Okay, people in the YouTube, there should be a poll somewhere in the chat. I don't have a clue, but just click it. I don't know how many people. Oh, we only have a few people on YouTube anyway. But someone said nothing. Put your little vote in. YouTube is sorry, Discord is saying that they don't have a clue what's going to happen. And YouTube is saying nothing's going to happen. Okay, interesting. Yeah, Discord is confuzzled, man. 2 people say strength, 2 people say weakness, 1 person says nothing, no one has a fucking clue. Okay, now in the YouTube, We've got half and half between weakness and nothing. No one knows what's going to happen at this point. So I would heavily advise you all just not to trade. Because if you guys can't make your mind up, the markets won't either. Why would the USD drop or increase if Biden drops out? It depends on like the overall collective opinion on like, I don't know, like for example, when Trump was in office, did he have a really high impact on the US economy? If he did, then him coming back into office, then obviously it's going to be really positive for the USD. Or if everyone fucking hates Biden and they think he's doing a shit job on the economy, bringing someone else in, no matter who it is going to have a positive impact. So I don't know. It just depends on the overall sentiment of like, you know, everyone's collective opinions put together. What all the hedge funds think. Like, so if all the hedge funds think, okay, Donald Trump's going to help the USD, then obviously it's going to go up, but we don't know what everyone else thinks. But if we all think the same thing in this chart, then most likely that's what everyone thinks. Because we've got like, what, let's say 10, 20 people in here right now, all with the collective opinion of, you know, we think USD is going to go up. That's most likely what's going to happen. So it's just opinions and which opinion's the strongest. I don't know. I don't think there's like a set, you know, once someone comes in, automatic increase, or I don't know. It's very subjective. I think it would already be priced in from last week's lots of reports that Biden would drop out the weekend. Yeah, but there was like reports that he'd drop out and then nothing happened, and then those reports like he's dropping out again and then nothing happened, and then he's actually dropped out. Well, he said he's going to speak about it, so I don't know, because Trump is more for finance. I honestly can't tell you. I'm not really clued up enough. From what I know, I'm pretty sure Trump did do pretty well. Obviously he was in office during COVID, right? No, he wasn't. Was he? No, he wasn't. Yeah, he was. Yeah, he was. Thought so. So, I mean, he had it a bit shit, so you can't really compare him, but I'm pretty sure he did all right, right? For the economy. I don't know. I'm not American, so I don't know. I don't even know how the UK is doing, to be honest. I don't really care. I should probably take a closer look, but you see Trump is considering BlackRock CEO for Treasury at SEC. Oof. Fucking hell. That what is that? Larry Fink, or is he the founder, or is he the CEO? I don't know. Yeah, Fink. Okay, he's some scary man. His economy though wasn't great pre-COVID. It was on par with the Obama economy. What is BlackRock? They're the biggest. They're not a hedge fund. They're an asset management firm. I'm pretty sure that's what the class does. They manage just over $10 trillion. So yeah, they have a lot of money, and they well, yeah, they can pretty much fucking control the market, because if they say, you know, we're going to allocate 10% of our capital into fucking the EV sector, boom, they go crazy. Or, you know what, we're going to, I don't know, 50% of our transactions now are going to be through the euro instead of the US dollar. That's like trillions. Yeah. Anyway, right, let's crack on. Yeah, I'm not clued up enough with politics to have a entertaining conversation. I don't have a clue. I'm just as stupid as you guys by the looks of it, because no one knows what's going to happen. Yeah, so we'll see. Right, pound Aussie was at a nice level. This is a trade. Oh, no. I was going to say this is a trade I should have taken, but we had a miss. So this was ATR. As you can see, ATR was aligning. There you go. ATR was just above the level by like 10 pips, and it did look like a really nice trade. But if we have a look, we saw a miss. So it tapped into the daily close, and it missed by a few pips. I think it was like 5 pips, and it did 37, which for me, that's it done. I'm not taking that trade. we'll draw a quick line as to where that actually reacted from, so we can see on a daily. That's where it reacted from. So if you look on a daily, 4 hour tapped into this level, daily tapped into pretty much the level and did a 36 pip reaction from there. So for me, that was a cancel. But as you can see, for people that actually then took the trade again, which bit of a risky one, obviously probabilities are a lot lower because it's already done like a 40 reaction. So I wouldn't then wait for it to then re-entry and go for it again, because, you know, chances of that giving another 40 is way lower. So yeah, but it worked really nice. So if anyone did take that, I saw a few people take this, congrats, because it worked. But for me, bit of a risky trade from that first miss. But if it didn't miss and it just taps the end, then it would have been beautiful. GJ, we saw a JPY intervention. It confused the shit out of me, I can't lie. This was on Wednesday. Was it that Wednesday? Yeah, this Wednesday. So normally, right, interventions look like that. And interventions are basically when the Bank of Japan basically buy a shit ton of their own currency to, like, theoretically increase its value and shit. So it's like prop the value up. But I don't understand how that's meant to work, because, well, first of all, I don't understand how it's meant to work. And second of all, it doesn't work. Maybe, well, at least short term, it doesn't work, because obviously if this chart goes up, then this means JPY is weak. And if you look, JPY has been doing interventions for like a few years now, and it's done fuck all. This is weak as shit. But short term, they do have an impact, of course. Like if we go, okay, my camera's just turned off, twat. If we have a look, like here's an intervention, bump, dropped. Here's an intervention, went crazy, dropped. But that's short term. Long term, it just retraces and just goes straight back up. So again, that may have been 6 a.m. That could have been an intervention. I don't know, 200 pips. Right, come on, camera, don't be a twat. Let me just reboot my camera. Give me 2 secs. Let me turn it off for a sec. But yeah, the short term, they have fuck off stocks. They have strength, but then long term, you know, it doesn't really do anything. So again, we're most likely gonna see some sort of a retracement back up into these levels, because short term, yeah, they have an impact. Long term, they don't really do anything. But this intervention that they did was really weird, because obviously normally they look like that, but this one was like over the course of like what, 5 hours or something. This one was like 2-3 hours. That one was an hour. That one was literally half an hour. But this one was over the course of like 5 hours or something, which is really weird. They normally don't do that. So I was very confused as to why that happened. Yeah, no, JPY is scary as shit to trade, especially at the minute. They're fucking doing it, like, they don't care. They'll do an intervention tomorrow. They'll do one on Wednesday. Fuck it. You know what? We'll do another on Thursday. You know, they wake up, have a bad day, and fuck it. We're going to fuck up the markets and do an intervention. So it's not really worth taking a trade, because if you're in a trade during an intervention, good luck with your prop firm account. You are getting instantly hard breached. Bam! Gone. Your account's gone. That you've been working on for 2 months, boom, gone in the bin. Your stop loss ain't getting triggered. You really think with, let's just go back to, you really think, okay, I'm on a 1 minute time frame. You really think that your stop loss is going to get triggered with a 150 pip 1 minute candle? You are stupid. Nah, you're getting instantly hard breached. And you just lose your account. It's not worth it. If you're trading some degen little 5k account, sure. Nah, even if you're in sells, I don't think it would work. I think spread would instantly fuck you up either way. Imagine that. Yeah, that'd be nice. 4 fund is too short, too longs on news. Yeah, you'd be fucking pissed if they both just go bump, goes up and down instantly, or spread expands and then it does the move. It's just not worth trading for me, at least. Fuck that. So JPY is sort of out the window, unless I'm taking maybe a quick 4 hour trade, sure. But apart from that, no thank you. Hello Aussie and Amal, do you have any setups you're waiting on limit entries? Yeah, pound cad, this one. I'm waiting for this setup. It looks really nice. So that's JPY pretty much. Yeah, no. Euro Swiss. Let's go over Euro Swiss. Let's have a look. I'll try and speed it up because it's been half an hour so far. Yeah, plus they've got to accept the withdrawal as well, because then they'll say, oh no, you made profit during a news trade, a high volatility period, and they'll make some random excuse saying, yeah, we can't pay you out, sorry. So Euro Swiss, the only level it had on it was this, which was a market open level, which was an interesting level, but it didn't have anything really to validate it as a decent trade. Did like minus 28, plus 20. It's just pissing around at the level. So yeah, that was about it. Right, camera. Why is it doing this? Piece of piss. That's what it is. Let me turn it off. Welcome back. I think trading news is way too risky for normal people that don't have advanced knowledge on finance. Yeah, that's true. But insider info that we could see dollar weakness. Ooh, insider info of who? Tux, I swear your uncle is like a founder of a multi-trillion-dollar hedge fund, isn't he? Can't you get him in the Discord and do a few calls and give us some little tips? Efficacy news advice. Ooh, okay. Tuck's uncle is Fink. I don't think he'd be saying that. I don't think he'd be sat here in a call with this retard listening to me. I think I'd be doing a lot better. Euro Swiss daily level, that we have nothing on Euro Swiss basically. Euro US dollar, we have this 4-hour level which tapped at the same time as GU. EU made a move, GU did fuck all. Why? Why? Only did 13 pips, but why is GU just going bam? Okay, it didn't tap at the same time. I'm lying. Thursday, 10 o'clock. Oh, I'm completely lying. Ignore me. They did do a reaction at the same time, but GU wasn't at a level and EU was. Okay, ignore me. Would you mind zooming in on that setup you're waiting so I can screenshot? Also, is it an open limit or manual? An open limit or manual? I don't know the difference between an open limit or manual. Here you go. That is there you go. That's the daily time frame. You can take a screenshot. You got 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Bing bong boosh. Don't blame me if it hits stop loss. And there is a high chance I may cancel, so make sure you keep it up to date in the Discord. Hello, please help me, sir. I am lose 56k in color trading. Please help me, sir. Hello, sir. Okay. Fair enough. I don't know what color trading is. Do you trade paints? Do you go to the shop, get like blue paint and a green paint, trade them? Don't know what that is, to be honest, mate. 56k as well. $56,000 he's lost trading paint. That's pretty crazy. Anyway, Euro USD 4-hour level. That's not there now. We got this daily level. 4-hour is looking pretty damn weak, to be honest. You do have this break and retest, which is, you got that. Like that there, which is actually okay. 50 fib, I'm guessing that's exactly what you're looking at. No, that's not 50 fib. Is it? Oh shit, it is 50 fib. Fair enough. Oh, and actually that is the break and retest. Yeah, I see it, but I don't know. Thank you. When you say open or manual, I mean, is there anything that would invalidate it? Oh yeah, 100% there's stuff that would invalidate it. News flows, I don't know. That's pretty much it. News or flows, to be honest, or like missing by a few pips. I'll post it in the Discord anyway. We have a chat in the Discord. I'll show you. We have so we have, where is it? Where's the MCR chat? So this chat here, this is where we talk about trades and if we're holding them, if we're canceling them, that stuff. So it's just in the Discord. And that's where I'll most likely update you guys on if I'm taking, if I'm not, stuff like that. LMAO, I'm dead. No, 56,000 INR. Please you not help me. Reply me, sir. Are you a trader? Please help me, sir. My coaching fees. I lost everything. Please help me, sir. Unfortunately, you're on the wrong website to get paid. You need to go start a GoFundMe. Then maybe you can get paid. But I don't give out money to people who hop in my YouTube and beg for money. Yeah, if you go here and type in GoFundMe, this, here you go. I'll send you the link so you know what to do. There you go. I posted it in the YouTube. GoFundMe. Or, like Wayfam said, McDonald's jobs. Here you go. McDonald's careers. I don't know if they have a McDonald's where you're from, but yeah, there you go. They got different jobs you can apply for. I've sent them both. There we go. Do you put more trades on MCR than GBT? Which one's GBT? I'm guessing it's one of the different Discords. Yeah, I do. I put... so, when it comes to the other Discords, all I post is basically these trades. Buy, break even, sell, missed. Whereas the MCR one, I also post all the analysis. I post daily videos and updates. I post little mentorship stuff and journal stuff and things. And then you have all my resources: ATR indicator, daily reviews, the weekly review sheets, journal, and then obviously a chat for everyone who trades my strategy. And then obviously there's other people sharing similar trades to me. So yeah, I post way more in my Discord compared to the others. In the others, I literally just post, I'm looking at this trade. Leon, focus. I am focusing. I just sent you a McDonald's link. Right. I heard you give free canned beans and bread. Ooh. That is a good combo. That is a good combo. Can you explain anyone that helped me? Yeah, I don't know. Sorry, I'm going to ignore that unless you say something funny now. If you say a joke and make me laugh, I'll donate free canned beans and bread. And I'll help you with your McDonald's application if you make me laugh. What about people who hop in your Discord and beg for money? I'm a bit friendly with them because they've actually took the time to join the Discord, which actually helps me because then, we have more members and it looks cooler. So they're actually supporting me a tiny bit more. So I prefer those guys. Let's see if the camera works now. There we go. Stop waffling, start analyzing. Right, Tux, you're timed out for a week. How's the journal coming along? The journal is coming along. Well, I mean, the journal's already done. What do you call a cow with no legs? Ground beef. That was horrific. That was not funny. And you know what? Serge, you're getting a timeout for that one. I lost 56k root. You just copy and pasting now. There's no effort put into it. That wasn't funny. Right, let's crack on. Yeah, EU does the break and retest. I don't know. I don't know if we see DXY alignment with that, then yeah, sure, 100%. So we're looking for EU buyers, euro strength, dollar weakness. So there isn't much really. When it comes to levels, we got obviously some 4-hour levels, but I don't really want to trade alignment with shitty 4-hour levels. Like these are pretty shit, but there's nothing. What about bonds? Bonds is messy as hell. Stock market. Ooh, shit. We do actually have that as like a general zone, really. For buyers, at least. Obviously, this is US 500 strength, which will then mean DXY weakness, which will then mean EU strength. So, could look good. US 500 up buy line, check the trend line. Oh god, what trend lines we're looking at here, Tux? You told me to stop talking shit, and now we're talking about trend lines. Oh yeah, is that a trend line? You know what? That isn't shit. That's actually alright. Yeah, I don't know if that'll hold though. There isn't. I mean, you do have like this break and retest zone. Small intra break retest. Yeah. Boom. Wow. Took the words out of my mouth. Yeah. Yeah, I see it. I don't know though. I think this Biden stuff is just gonna. I don't know. I think we'll see a bit of a gap at least. What do you call a bear with no teeth? Gummy bear. What the fuck was that noise? Someone just made a really weird noise. AI, you need to mute your mic. I heard you make a really weird laugh. That sounded like a... I'm not going to say that, actually. Yes, I don't know about that. Okay, I've already said that. My mic is muted. No, it's not. You're not mute. Now you're on mute. There you go. W laugh. You went... just a little... Curious, how many funded accounts do you have, and how do you get them funded? I get them funded by trading on them, trying to trade successfully on them, and I have actually funded. I have like 1, 2, 3, 4 actual fundeds, as in past live, and then funded challenges that have been sat in a challenge for months. Like probably about 5 again. Leon, what's keeping you so calm and collected during this slow phase? I mean, you were unstoppable last year. I think the fact that I was unstoppable last year is keeping me calm and collected. But I may look calm and collected on the outside, but trust me, on the inside, I'm not calm and collected. I just spat everywhere as well. I'm not calm and collected on the inside, I'll say that. Trust me, there's ups and downs. Like, it's like a fucking roller coaster in his head. Yeah, I don't know. It is... I think journaling and just being real with yourself, not faking shit, and just having an actual plan there. Like, without a plan and a vision on, like, what you're going to do to achieve whatever you want to achieve, it's fucking difficult to have any structure to just life in general. Like... what I try and do weekly is I'll evaluate the situation I'm in, like evaluate my week and how I've been trading and, you know, that type of stuff. And then I'll create a plan as to what I need to do to get to where I want to be. So like, for example, I've still been shit at, like reviewing my trades and, doing daily reviews. I've been doing them, but I'll do like 4 of them and I'll do them at 50% effort. I'm still not recording as much data as I want to be, and I need to be analyzing the markets a little bit more. So, like, for example, this week, I reviewed that. I went over my daily reviews, my trade reviews, and realized, well, straight away, I took a shit trade. One that I was a little bit impatient because I hadn't taken a trade for like over a week. So I took a trade that was good. You know, the tech was there, but the fundamentals were shit. Sorry, just how long do you usually take to fund accounts? Any trading rules you live by? What do you mean by trading rules you live by? My trading plan, that's about it. How long do you usually take to fund accounts? Usually a few months, but at the minute, a lot of months. But it is what it is. Like, if it takes me 6 months to pass an account, the way I trade, I'm not going to lose my account. Like, it's going to be very, very difficult for me to blow my account with the way I trade. Unless I have a really shit period, which, yeah, I've been through that one. But I've still got them. I still haven't blown a single account, even through all this shit. Whereas, like, you know, you see people on Instagram and shit saying, oh, I just passed 2 accounts this week. Passed an account, passed an account, passed an account. But they'll fucking lose them a week later because their risk management is shit and they've just gone full degen on an account just to pass it really quick. And then they'll carry on trading like that and they'll have no rules at all and they'll just blow it as fast as they passed it. Whereas with me, it may take me 5 times as long to pass the account, but I'll never blow it, and that account will give me passive income. Well, not passive income, but you know what I mean, for forever. Whereas them, they might get, you know, a payout at a few hundred or 1,000 and then they blow it. And then they've got to redo it all, you know. Anyway, what do you journal trades? What do you journal? Trades or goals, life and shit? Pretty much that. Trades or goals, life and shit. That's what I journal. Exactly that. This whole stream is just going to turn into dad jokes, as it should. Where does 007 invest his money? In the bond market. That was good. I can't be asked reading that one, Wayfam. It's too long and there's too many numbers. That's not Wayfam, that's Gimo. I can't tell you apart now because you've both got the same fucking... Oh, no, Wayfam, I can actually see his name. Never mind. One sec, there was one more. That's good. Did you hear about the Italian chef who died? He passed away. Yeah, that was a good one. I'll give you that. I'm not going to laugh because it wasn't that funny, but I'll give you it. Right, let's crack on. Anyway, EU, nice buy. I'm going to mark an alert because that could see some alignment with S&P. Let me write this down, actually. Can I write alignment with SP 500? Where's it written at? Nope, I want it to be middle. I put 2P 500. SP 500. Euro CAD. Oh shit, let me go back into the chat. Leon only uses HFT to pass his funded. You can pay him 2k per challenge. Oh, I do have a little Nova HFT pass thing, but I did actually use it to pass a Nova. Nova's gone to shit now anyway. Leon, check my joke. Not... You know what? Tux is banned. Boom. Banned. Gone. Gone for life. I'll make a joke that's offensive to me again. You're getting banned as well. Tux, we were just talking shit about you when we moved you. You should have heard what Surgical said. Surgical came off mute and said something about your mother. Yeah, I'd DM him. See? Wayfarm's backing me up saying it's true as well. I said she was... Right. Anyway, right, let me crack on. What time is it? 53. We've been live 50 minutes. We're on Euro. Right, we're going to speed run this. I can't bother talking to you any longer. Right, EU's got the high. We've had a break and retest of this high, and it's done a little bit of a reaction. It has done a nice reaction. Apart from that, there isn't many other levels. We have this break and retest over here, which is a bit of a weird level. I'm not interested. So nothing on EuroCAD. Euro Aussie. Buys. Yeah, that's a shit break retest. I don't know. That's a bit of a weird zone. I don't like the way that level was formed, but it is a daily breaking retest. So, you know, it's there. Apart from that, you have the 61. Really nice. I'm going to go working tomorrow, so I won't be able to trade London early New York. Is that Gimo? It is Gimo. Okay, I have to check your name because if you look, Gimo, your name on my screen is invisible because it's black. Yeah, so I never know who's talking. I just see a star and an axe. So I normally think it's Wayfam, but it's not because Wayfam's blue. Not to brag, but I made 6 figures last year. I was also named the worst employer at the toy factory. That isn't even that funny. That was horrific. The axe logo again. Yeah, I know. Surely you can change it back now, Gimo. Surely they won't notice. By the way, Gimo, do you know you can change it so it's just the server? You don't have to have your logo as an axe for every single server. You can just change your server profile. I don't know why you do it. You go on edit profile and do it. Yeah. Let me like not dox myself real quick. Ah, so here, look. You go on this bit and you click server profiles and you can change it for just... You click GRY and you can change your name and profile picture just for that server. You don't have to do it for all the servers. Oh, you need Nitro. Okay. Fuck off, Tux. What is the max you'll risk in one trade? 2%. Probably lower now. I don't know. Typical risk reward, anywhere from 1 to 1 to 1 to 2. That's it. Have you ever had an Irish spice bag? Couldn't tell you. I know what that is. Euro Aussie, yeah, sales look nice. That's why Euro Enter D is currently at a level. Pain in the ass. So that's invalid trade. Did have ATR, which was really nice. You would have had to hold that over the weekend, which holding the trade over the weekend at the minute, when there's a potential assassination of a president, well, like 2 days before or something. Yeah, it's a bit of a silly trade to take. I would not hold a single trade over the weekend at the minute. Right, to the top. Hey, there you go. Change your profile picture. Perfect. Let's see what they say. Imagine if you take the account off you. Don't blame me if they take the account off you. 4 hour, you do have this level. That's an okay 4 hour level to take. Yeah, that's about it. Nothing else in EN. EJ. Ooh, EJ. See you tomorrow, man. The 4 hour looks a little bit scruffy, but the daily looks nice. Obviously it's a JPY trade, but that does look really nice. You got the 0.8 level, 50 fib, well, currently ATR, but that could be a quick in and out trade. Euro JBP, I don't trade. I'm just got it there for comparison. Aussie Swiss, there's nothing. You just got this daily level and a failed break and retest. Yeah, that's it. Aussie dollar CAD. We're currently at a break retest, which is very wide, so it could do something, maybe not. I need to go again. I need to watch Navi play. Ooh, what's that? Who and what? Lytix, why are you so quiet, man? CS2. CS2? CSGO. CS2, what's CS2? World Cup. CSGO 2. Wow, so you're ditching a Forex stream to go and watch CSGO. I hope you've done your weekly review. Lytix, if you're going to watch a CSGO tournament and you haven't done your weekly review, you're getting banned from the MCR chat thing channel. Ban, that's right. Irish Spice Bag. Oh god, that's loud. Oh, it's literally just salt and pepper chips. So this. That's just salt and pepper chips and salt and pepper chicken. Or shrimp or something. Am I right, Tux? Tux, you're the only UK person here. That is literally just salt and pepper chicken and chips, right? Oh. Yeah, I have that like at least once a month. Yeah, I literally had it a few days ago. Yeah, that's... An Irish Spice Bag is a bit of a unique name. Are you fucking still going, Surgical? Jesus Christ. Looks scary. No, it's actually really good. For my old folks, I got carded at a liquor store and my Blockbuster card accidentally fell out. The cashier said, never mind. Oh, as in because a Blockbuster card is really old, so you're automatically old. Yeah, I know, my cam's turned off again. It's a piece of shit. Don't know why it's doing this. I actually miss Blockbuster. I used to go into Blockbusters like with my family, like I don't know if it was every week, but like at least every 2 weeks, and we pick a film each. God, memories. Yeah, Aussie CAD. Nothing really. I know, I am so old. But I'd rather be old and remember Blockbuster than young and not remember it, so. Fuck you, bitch. My dad used to rent the Super Nintendo. I didn't know you could. No way, you can rent consoles and shit. I didn't know that. I think I was about 10 at the time, so I don't really remember it that much. Aussie dollar, US dollar has this 4 hour level, but on a daily, that is shit. It's a bit of a shit one, to be honest. And then you got the high up here. Yeah. Aussie ends a D. Not really looking at any. Oh shit, the 38 could be. I mean, 4 hour at the minute. 74 pips. It's not bad for a 4 hour. I'll keep it there. Oh, I actually really do want some salt and pepper chips now. Ooh. I'm trying to eat healthy. Fuck you, whoever sent that. I don't know who it was. Who was it? Enoch. Thanks a lot, man. Yeah, I'm going to break my healthiness and get some after this. Oh, no. It was shut early on a Sunday, the Chinese place. Damn it. Oh, one sec. You know, I'm stopping the stream for a second to check if they're open. 1 second. Fat bastard. 1 sec. Let's see. Closing soon. They close at 9:50. Haha, I've got 50 minutes. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's just this. Look, watch. Salt and pepper chips. Chinese. I don't want it to dox my location here, even though most of you guys know roughly where I live. This is what it is, look. But like a Chinese takeaway version. These are all like super fancy versions. But anyway, it's sort of like this. Or you can get salt pepper chicken. Oh, mate, it is good. You don't have it. That is fucking crazy. What a loser. Yeah, more talking about food than trades. Yeah, because I'm good at eating food. I'm shit at trading. That's why. Chips at a Chinese restaurant, but no, they're like chippy chips. They're like it's not like fries type thing. It's like really thick, like soggy chips. Not like McDonald's fries type thing. Right, my camera is pissing me off. Stupid bastard. Yeah, Americans won't understand it. You won't understand what like chippy chips are. Yeah, they're called chippy chips. Yeah, see, Tuck said it, chippy chips, yeah. Yeah. McDonald's fries. Yeah, there's the difference between chips and fries in the UK. I know you guys called like crisp. We call, you know, obviously, we call them crisps, the thin potato crispy things. You call them chips. But for us, chips are like those thick fries. Like really thick fries that are like soggy. They're not crispy, like the soggy and thick. You hate thick fries. It depends what you're having them with. I wouldn't just normally eat them, but if you're having them with like a Chinese or something, you wouldn't have fries with a Chinese, would you? Like, you wouldn't have McDonald's fries with, you know, sweet and sour chicken, you know, and duck or whatever. That'd be fucking weird. Just eat rice with it. Yeah, but you'd also have like salt and pepper chips, for example, or just some chips. I don't know. Thank you, Wayfam. Thank you. Brits always do things the wrong way. Right, I'm not even going to get into that. Right. Aussie dollar JPY had a really nice retest and worked pretty nice, but it did a shit ton of drawdown. If you would have entered at the second wick, you would have probably, maybe, or not hit stop loss. Don't know. Can't hate on the greatest empire of all time. I'm actually reading a book about Genghis Khan at the minute. His is actually the greatest empire of all time. I think I'm on page 2. No, I've actually read like 20 pages. I'm really proud. Yeah. Break and retest looks beautiful on this. Ends a D Swiss. Apart from that, nothing. We got this level down here, which obviously is like a daily wick, which maybe could do something, but it's just such a slow book. I don't know. I'm shit at reading. I'd probably be a lot better at reading, you know, a fiction book, some stupid ass story type stuff. But I always like the non-fictions, like biographies or business books or, you know, self-help. That sounds a bit weird, but yeah, I'm terrible at reading as well, Wayfam. I'm shit at it. Me and my girlfriend are doing like a little competition to, because she wants to read and I want to read, but we both can't be asked reading. So we're doing a competition to see who's reads the most pages. We started this month. I'll tell you the stats. You ready? I've read this month so far 29 pages this month. 29 pages in 21 days. Come on, that is good. She has read 607. How am I meant to compete with that? I thought 29 pages was good. She's read 600 pages in 21 days. Does she read smut? No, she reads like just, you know, white girl fiction, love story type stuff. I probably haven't read 20 pages of book in... Right, wait fam. You see that behind me? You see... right? This is just half of the books. I have another shelf in my other room with my other books, right? That's just, one sec, let me fucking hold it. That's just a few of them, right? And between all of them, I think I've read 30 pages. That's it. I buy a book because it's on offer and it looks good. I go to the charity shop, see a nice book for 50p. I'm like, fuck yes, I'm going to buy that. I buy it. Doesn't get open for 2 years. I've only just opened a book in the first time in like a year. Or when I'm going on holiday, I'll take one book and I'll read 3 pages of it and call it a day. But yeah, I do need to get reading properly. Should do some reading after this actually, but I won't. Right, let's crack on with this. We're almost done. Fuck me, this is taking a while. Sorry for the guys in YouTube. Normally we're done by now, but it's now 10. Oh, I need to order my Chinese actually. Oof. Should we just cut it early so I can go eat my Chinese? Technical analysis. No, that must be boring to read. Fuck that. If you're bored of that Genghis Khan book, try listen to Wrath of Khans by Dan. I don't want to listen to something because I don't listen to it. Like, I can listen to an entire podcast and I'll remember one thing from it. Whereas, like, a book, I'm actively engaging with it and I'm taking things in. You know? If I listen to a podcast, it's more just, like, as something whilst I'm doing work. Yeah, it doesn't matter who it's recommended to. Or recommended by, sorry. I'll barely listen. I will listen to it in the moment, but I'll remember fuck all of it. And I'm trying to learn, not just like listen. So far with Genghis Khan, I've learned that he lived in Mongolia. That's it. That's all I've read 30 pages and all I've learned about Genghis Khan is he lived in fucking Mongolia. And he had 2 sons. He started off with 2 sons, I'm pretty sure. And that was about it. And they were scrapping with the Chinese. And the Chinese Empire and fucking Russians, don't know. That's about it. Why did the math book look so sad? Because of all of its problems. Yeah. That's... they're getting worse. Some of the dad jokes are meant to be good, but that's pretty bad. I feel like you've got to execute it well. 20% of the world. Actually, I'm pretty sure it was like 10%. Apparently. Because at max, it was about 100 million people he killed. Oh, actually, I did learn something else about Genghis Khan from my 30 pages. Currently, his bloodline, he has about, well, today, there's about 16 million people with part of Genghis Khan's DNA. / blood / shit. 16 million. Yep. You're right, JJ. I was just talking to the people about all the books I've been reading. I've been simultaneously reading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 books. Simultaneously. Right, we're on ends of D pairs and it's been 1 hour and 10. Decent 4-hour level there. Fib, nice 38. Let me reply to Josh. Analysis hasn't started yet. Yeah, Leon Noah, no one cares about Genghis Khan. Start showing people how to be profitable. I don't fucking... I know more about Genghis Khan than I do about being profitable. Oh, you beat me to it. Oh, wait, you can't. I'm going to time Josh out.
Love you, really.
What?
I love you, really.
No. It's a love-hate relationship. Like, you hate me and I love you, so it's a bit weird, isn't it? It seems that, I don't know. It's weird. But no, it's alright. You just use me as a punch bag, it's okay. To get all your emotions out. I know you've had a shit week trading, so you need I'm joking. How was your week actually? I don't know.
Hey?
How was your week actually? I don't actually know how it was.
I lost one trade because of I got in GU and then before I could actually manage the trade, C Trader servers went down to fucking.
You got fucked royally.
Well,
Oh, that's a scam.
I had a stop loss and I had a TP. Problem is, my stop loss and TP were like fucking 12 pips.
When you went back on, what was it? Would you get stopped out for the 12 pip, or did it do like slippage or something?
Yeah, stopped out. That's what I mean. It was nowhere near. Like, I would never do 12 pips. It's fucking stupid. So, like,
oh shit. Okay, I see.
I was trying to aim for 25 pips, but obviously I just put the trade in because it hit the level, and I was pissing around at work. And as I went back to it, like a couple of minutes later, your fucking C Trader servers were down. So I was like, fuck's sake.
But if you would have put the normal take profit and stop loss, would you have hit take profit or still stop loss?
Take profit.
Okay, that's shit.
Yeah. I'm not going to let it get to me. It's a fucking, it's one of them, part of the game. Big losses, uncontrollable, don't care. It hasn't rattled me. I'm into this week. Fuck it.
That is the perfect mindset to have.
It's the only way, mate.
Yeah. Also, check the screenshot I sent you, the DM.
Oh, you sent me that earlier, fuck me.
Yeah, and you completely ignored me. Thanks, you bastard. You saw it and ghosted me. We've got an ongoing battle. World War III is about to commence.
Have you opened that up?
What's that? Have
you
I?
opened that up? Yeah.
Yeah. No, it looks good. It looks good. It's positive. It's not negative, actually. Sorry, guys. We're talking in code right now. Because JJ cooler than you guys.
You sent me half the story, so.
Yeah, sorry about that. I left you on a cliffhanger.
Hopefully, mate. Yeah, if it's good, it's good.
Yeah. Right. I think we're about done. That is fucking. Oh wow. Hello, Josh. You alright, mate? Fancy you showing up. I didn't know Josh still trades.
Doesn't.
Has anyone heard from Josh in the past 3 months?
Did you not know?
No, he doesn't trade anymore, does he? Have you deleted all his accounts?
He had to stop trading because he jumped to Pi methods.
He jumped to buy methods?
Pi. P-I-E.
Oh, Pi methods. Oh. Has anyone been speaking to Pi, actually? Anyone here?
Josh.
I know,
Josh.
Josh, you've been speaking to Pi? Whoa, right, no. I'm deleting that. That's far. I reckon that's a timeout.
That was a ban.
Yeah, I think that is a ban.
You know what? Actually, 1 second. This is what I'm going to do instead.
Ooh, US 30 is a nice level. I'm waiting for it. Right, well, that's pretty much us done. There is I've got fuck all for this week so far. Pound CAD, nice little retest. JJ, do you do your analysis at the weekend, or do you just wait until market opening? Right. The guys fucking muted me.
What's going on? What?
Leon, when's the breakdown starting?
I swear to God, right, Josh is banned. Josh is actually banned. Josh is banned. Josh, you're banned for life. Right, that's it.
Oh, that's worth it. That was so worth
No,
it.
Josh is
Let's
done.
do it.
I couldn't
Josh, I
unmute
love you.
myself. It said you need special permissions to unmute yourself. I'm the fucking founder. What the fuck? I'm the fucking owner of the server and it didn't let me unmute myself. Josh, right, you're banned, mate. You're gone for life. Oh.
We're getting banned. It's so worth it.
Right, that's it. Right, that's it. He's gone. He's gone. He's gone. He's gone. He's just JJ. He's just Josh now.
Yeah, that's alright. Oh, that's jokes.
Why the fuck did it not let me unmute myself?
It's when you were saying unmute me. I was like, I suppose you can do it yourself. You're meant to be the owner.
No, it's saying you need special permissions to
That's why I was
unmute
really
yourself.
confused. Alright, I'm just gonna go with it at this point.
Sorry, YouTube. Right, YouTube. I'm just gonna leave it there. Sorry about that.
YouTube's had a stinker.
Yeah, sorry.